you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
You do it with a gas. Do it with like that. You're gonna have trailer maintenance, gas, and vehicle maintenance on top of everything.
So it's better to keep it drivable.
I get 12. I get 12 miles a gallon. Not hauling.
And that's so he put regular gas in it. You got the diesel.
No, I got 93.
So you got 93.
I got 93.
Oh.
It's tuned, guys.
Oh. See?
He got that high gas,
He
though.
got that gas.
He almost getting diesel.
I got 420 a gallon around here. Around here.
Oh, no.
Look.
That dude.
I put 80 at a time and it don't fill it.
Oh, no. We need that gas.
Then I see you and I'm like, why y'all ain't got the vehicle out here?
You ain't lying. You ain't lying.
Well,
What you got here, man?
we got two Crossfire 18s, the XS 18s. Yeah. We got a Crossfire 1.5K Korean amp. One single Titan lithium PWR S6, so we're at 16 volt. Independent electrical system separate from the truck itself.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, so this your everyday vehicle here?
Yeah, this is daily right here.
Yeah. Now that van was a little more extreme, wasn't it?
The van
it had a
is
steel cage in it,
extreme.
didn't it?
You gonna shut that?
Yeah. You had the cage in it, didn't you?
Yeah. The front cab was caged. The rest of it was not. Alright, let's see what we got. I don't know what that was.
What happened?
I've been demoing all day. I don't know.
Oh, you ran hot on you?
Maybe. It shouldn't.
Did it protect?
I don't know. I think it was. We're gonna find out, ain't we?
You said 1500 watts right there?
It's 15 watt amp.
Okay,
Yeah, they always run efficient.
Yeah, that's what it is, ain't it?
We'll try to. Alright, let's load back in and see what happens.
Right there, yeah.
Daily, man.
Yeah, considering what you came from.
Yeah. I was like, I gotta do something. You know what I mean? I gotta do
That van, you got that van.
Jet van, yeah. Blew my poncho all out the car and everything.
I remember that.
You remember that slam?
I do remember that.
That slam, it was doing
Dude,
it.
here's the funny thing. After slam, I did all day, both days.
Yeah.
Went to the next show, turned the van on, 1 amps in protect. Never played it. Perfect. Traveled next show, pulled off the trailer, 1 amp in protect.
Went the whole time.
I had a grandma or something, my dude. I don't know. I was upset about that one. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie about that.
What they call them?
Oh boy, I got y'all.
Yeah, basically a problem. I try to avoid them. No problem. Yeah.
See, let's see what this is.
Oh, you got nothing. Okay.
I think it's unavoidable.
You gotta keep it out the car.
Hold on.
You gotta keep it out of there.
Right factory.
That's it, right factory.
Alright, let's see what this does. The first turn on was on the way here.
Oh, for this?
Yeah.
So you ain't.
No, there's no testing, dude. This is,
Oh, you just.
I built that in 2 days. I decided Wednesday I wanted a new box. So I just built it.
You just plug and play. You came on out.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I already had the amp tuned and stuff.
Oh, so you just put it in?
Yeah, it was just box swap.
right there.
Yeah.
That might be a little more than really a daily, really. that need to be.
That's definitely a nice base setup.
Yeah, that's what that is.
That's what we call the bump and go.
Yeah.
That's the bump and go. What you think, Pops?
Make your ear pop.
That's it. That's it.
Hey man, thank you.
Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate
It was good to see you, bro.
Yes, sir.
He got backseat demo.
He gonna
Got
get
the
that.
right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.